Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new line from Kansept called Kansept EDC. So let's get into them. First up, the first item we're going to take a look at is the Prymate. There's a few things that stand out to me already with this. The first thing being that this is extremely lightweight. It is constructed of titanium. I mean, this is crazy how lightweight this is. Looking at some of the features here, you definitely have a flat tip screwdriver, a can opener, several different nut sizes, a pocket clip. You have it's more of a pointed enforcement end on there if you had to use it to encourage someone to move if you needed that. And same way, this fits your hand kind of like a karambit. Very cool. Yeah, there's a lot to like about this. I really like the plain titanium color too, because it gives modders a platform to do something with on their own, make it custom, or if you just like the standard look of titanium, which I absolutely love. Yeah, this is super neat. You have it in hand. If you actually needed to turn a screw, you got some leverage on there. Really cool. And then up next is the Stilletto. In its standard form, it looks like a little Kubotan. This could be used kind of like a pack of quarters, also a compliance tool. And the coloring, it's 5CR13 steel and titanium with lightning strike finish. Okay, so 5CR might be the item inside. This is a transformer, so let's transform it. Wow. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. And that is a good size overall. Wow. So the actual length of the formed spike itself is about 2 3/4 inches. Or if you want to go to the base of the handle, it's 3 1/4. That's pretty impressive. You got an overall length of 7 1/4 inches as well. Yeah, in the hand, this fits extremely well. I have a large sized hand and this fits perfect. If you have XL hands, I have no doubt that this would fit. In this form, it will suit self-defense very well, but even in the Kubotan form, it'll be perfect. Yeah, this is crazy. 2.88 ounces on the Stilletto. And 1.2, basically 1.3 ounces on the Prymate. I definitely like Kansept's play on words for the Prymate. The Stilletto also comes with a chain to carry on your neck, and I think it's pretty nice. I definitely like that. It's a very well-formed chain. I don't know much about necklaces or chains, but this is pretty actually substantial itself. Sitting around 4/10 of an ounce. So tell me your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of these two items from Kansept EDC? They have plenty other ones too, and I'm going to have to purchase those and check those out. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with Darkwater, and have a good day.